it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm super hyped to share with y'all where I get my gluten shreds. Y'all have been in the comments for a little while now trying to figure out where I get them from. And not only am I gonna tell you, I'm gonna hook you up with a discount code. But before I get into all that, I just wanna share with you 4 recipes that are up on Sister Girl Tuesday right now that feature gluten shreds. So think back with me, journey back with me to the beginning of Sister Girl Tuesday when I did my dorm dinner series and I showed you how to make some chicken enchiladas in the microwave. Okay, all my college students, I want y'all to check that out. And then if you keep thinking back to March Madness last year, I showed you how to make some poppin' buffalo chicken dip, okay? And then my mom showed you how to make some vegan chicken tenders. Now that's an interesting way to use gluten shreds, okay? And then most recently, I showed you how to make some white chicken chili. So I have partnered with Creative Foods, the company that distributes gluten shreds, and together we have come together to give you a discount code. So if you would like to receive 5% off of your next gluten shreds purchase, just be sure to use the code right here and enjoy. Now, I really want to see what you guys are doing with gluten shreds, so I would love for you to tag me in a post on Instagram at sisgirl2s. You can always shoot me an email, that's sisgirl2s@gmail.com, and you can always drop your questions, comments in the comment section right here. So, yeah, gluten shreds, I'm hooking y'all up right here. Here we go. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.